So this here is your table saw, and the first thing we need to do is we need to inspect our wood, and we're doing that so that we don't find any metal or anything else that's conductive like staples or screws left in our wood that would damage our saw. We also need to make sure that our wood is completely dry. So I've inspected this wood for those things. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our saw is just barely taller or sticking out of the further than our wood. So we're going to adjust that here. Now I can see that the blade sticks out just past the wood. We'll close that back down. And then we need to adjust our guide so that we can adjust it to how much wood we're taking off. So today I'm going to take off 6 inches, so we'll move this to 6 inches, and then we can lock this down so that it won't move. Then we're going to take our wood and make sure that it's pressed firmly up against our guide. And then we'll reach under here and we can pull this lever to activate the blade. And then we'll push the wood firmly against the stop while we push it through the blade at the same time. And then in order to keep our hand away from the blade, we'll use a push stick to finish pushing it all the way through. And that's how you use the table saw.